Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Happy Friday. We made it. Remember, KASPA, KASPA, KASPA. And just to let you know, KASPA is still one of the best coins in the crypto environment. So, if you guys are hearing a lot of FUD, don't listen, right? There's still a lot of KASPA to come. And I got a video. KASPA could be on the verge of a breakout. So let's go to the numbers, a couple announcements, and then we'll get to that video. So here for KASPA, currently market cap is 936 million. Volume is 35 million. Volume to market cap is 3.83. All-time high is 0.051. In the last hour, it's down 0.84. For the last 24 hours, it's up 7.29%. Last 7 days, it's down 0.35%. Last 30 days, it's 80.7%. Last 90 days, 127.9%. And for the year, it's 7,547% up. Circulating supply is 20 billion. Total supply is 20.1 billion. Max supply is 28.7, and the market cap is 937 million. So 24-hour low is 0.041, and 24-hour high is 0.047. And we'll look at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap says it's up 4.17%, and that market cap is 930 million. 24-hour volume is up 20.2%, 32 million. Volume to market cap is 3.82. Circulating supply is 20 billion. Total supply is 20.1 billion. Max supply is 28.7, and fully distributed is 1.3 billion. So for the dashboard, it looks like 20.1 billion. TPS is 1. BPS, blocks per second, is 0.3.4. Percent mined is 69.34. Petahash hash rate is 6.7 petahash. I want to say I got up to 7 today. I think that's in one of the Twitter posts. We'll check that out in a second. The next reduction is in 25 days, and they're down to 175 KAS. So for the latest price is 0.046. Trading volume today, last 24 hours, is 35 million. Market cap is 933 million. And their ranking is 206. So we'll go back to CoinGecko. CoinGecko says the rank is 47. Current price is 0.076. It's up 7.5% today. Bitcoin's up 0.7. Total market cap is 928 million. Circulating supply is 20 billion. Total supply is 20 billion. Max supply is 28.7. 24-hour trading volume is 22 million, and fully distributed is 1.3 billion. So we'll look at the Twitter page. And if you forgot, or if you get a chance, go ahead and add me on Twitter. I'll put the link in the comments. So this is saying KASPA is to 20 cents in 3 to 4 weeks. A big aggressive move is definite, possibly, with things heating up in the exchange wallets. This monster will continue to suck liquidity from falling projects to top 5 soon. So that's kind of aggressive. 20 cents in 3 to 4 weeks, but hey, I like it. That would be nice. I think I was telling you guys to 10 cents by the end of September. Actually, I think it's in August, but I'm pushing it back to 10 cents by mid-September. And this guy is saying never count your chickens before they hatch. But right now, KASPA is performing exactly as we hope. If this runs to new highs from here, you're going to see the meaning of FOMO, legendary shit. Let's go, KASPA. Yeah, let's freaking go, guys. It's been a lot of talk about the retest, and then it started to come back up. So it did hit this 0.041, and it started to go back up. So that's a good thing. So it bounced, and it might be starting another run. But we'll see and look at some numbers, and we'll let you know. Okay, so this guy's saying pretty much the same thing. And let's try and check to see if there's anything else here. Thought there was another announcement that's not here. Okay, so yeah, KASPA hash rate did get to 7.1 petahash, which is good, right? The more people that's mining, the price will come up. Will Bybit list KASPA for spot trading? I suppose it will be next week. So keep an eye out for that. See if this happens. Another bullish news, all the top 15 best performing equity ETFs this year are Bitcoin and related crypto. And that was earlier, it was at 6.19 petahash. And this is more news about digital silver. And this is another hash rate hit 6.25 petahash. And then I think we talked about this yesterday, that KASPA is still the number 2 mine crypto on Hive OS. So there's an announcement here. This Caleb and Brown new asset listing. KASPA has been listed at Caleb and Brown. Buy, sell KASPA, or swap directly with hundreds of crypto assets through your personal crypto broker, Caleb and Brown. And this is a Australian crypto exchange, I think. So let's click to this video from Jesse AI. See what he has to say.
Welcome back, friends. KASPA is making the handle in a cup and handle pattern right now. To help ease everybody's nerves, instead of going over the news, we're going to break down the technical analysis for the here, for the now, showing how much strength the candle on KASPA is still packing, that this minor dip to the downside is part of a larger breakout pattern, and there is nothing to worry about. For those of you who are still on the sidelines, this might provide a great opportunity for you to start DCAing into KASPA. Name's Jesse, professional poker player, mathematician. Technical analysis can be a very touchy subject. Over the past 70 days, we have successfully captured on video, using these TA methods, to build $12,000 into what in today is valued at $57,000 worth of KASPA. We did this from trading multiple altcoins: AVAX short, 9x leverage, Ethereum long, 9x leverage, and then buying KASPA at 24 halfpennies. The first technical analysis method we're going to go over gave us the buy signal to start picking up KASPA at 24 halfpennies. On paper, mathematically, it looks very similar to MACD and RSI. On June 15th, we uploaded a video praying that this formation was going to appear on the chart, because if it did, we would back the truck up. That formation being the following. It's a combination between two indicators. The first one is known as stochastics. What your stochastics is it's really like an RSI of sorts. When it's up, the candle's up. The Jenkins oscillator is really like a fuel tank for your stochastics. As long as the Jenkins oscillator is above this halfway mark, the higher the better, the more fuel the stochastics has, so when it pushes high, it can make a higher high. We wanted the stochastics to check all the way back down on the one-day chart to the baseline, while the Jenkins oscillator was still going to be nice and full, even though the stochastics was at the bottom. And look at this pattern we got. That's about as dreamy as you can get. Right now on the one-day chart, the stochastics is starting to dip down very low. When we combined it with our angled Fibonacci chart that we're going to go over the setup of that in just a moment, we can see that we're sitting right on top of the golden pocket. Previously, we were actually sitting at the base of this entire Fibonacci pitch. That, of course, would be a very strong level, second only in strength to the golden pocket. Cloning this purple trend line here, we can see that we can clearly move this throughout the chart, and it will always find contact points everywhere that it goes. The candle respects that trend line. That is an origin trend line, especially when it's part of two different patterns from two different time zones on the chart. And this works across the board. On every altcoin, you'll always be able to find these origin trend lines. From those, you can set up multiple different Fibonacci pitches. Zooming in on the 15-minute, we can see how strong the golden pocket is because the candle can't even penetrate it. Now remember, this entire pitch fits perfectly with the peak off of the April high right here and the June 6th low. So this is completely naturally occurring golden pocket. It's showing a lot of strength right now. Take a look at the last time that KASPA was moving downward. Look at how low the Jenkins oscillator got. Now in the scenario where KASPA was starting to look soft, I would definitely make a video about it to prove how honest I'm being with you guys. I do want to show you something that has put a chink in our armor towards the 50 cents in 30 days theory, which we were basing completely around the hash rate exploding up from 2,500 terahash to 20,000 terahash in just a few weeks. Would have been enough force to have gotten the candle to absolutely rock it up. Look at where the hash rate is right now. We're almost at 6 petahash. We want this number to jump up to at least 20 petahash to get a nice kick that will force the candle up strictly based off of the hash rate. That's going to take over 2,000 units to get the hash rate to go that high up. That's a lot of ASICs that have to get sold and turned on within the next few weeks. The market cap is 1/3 of the total market cap of Ethereum Classic, but the active users is actually 1/3 larger. This shows that KASPA is a much more happening network. We've got the money flowing in and out of there. So when the ASICs power on, that additional $250,000 worth of selling pressure as they're trying to recoup their money back shouldn't be much of a problem at all. We can see the same exact thing with Cardano. Cardano has a 10-to-1 market cap over KASPA, but right now their active wallets are only double that, the size of KASPA. I'm going to be kicking back, relaxing, keeping one eye on the hash rate, hoping that we get up to 40 petahash suddenly within the next 2 weeks, respecting the fact that the candle is right around this golden pocket and the gravity of that area will definitely help form the U-turn, making the handle in this cup and handle pattern, sending all the action back to the upside. We've also got tons of fuel in our oscillators right now. Even the best of assets don't just head straight up every single day. Based on our technical analysis, this minor dip down is just KASPA taking a breath, getting ready for, in fact, another run back up to the upside.
So there you have it. The price dip, which I was telling you guys to buy the dip. This is not financial advice. This is just me saying for entertainment purposes that KASPA did dip, which is kind of what you want, right? You can't have the currency or the actual crypto going up. It's got to come down so we can pick it up. And it's going to take right back off. So here you see the RSI, and when this is the MACD, this is the RSI. So this is here you see the MACD, and when the MACD line crosses, if you look, every time it crosses, it either goes up or it comes down, right? Cross down, cross down, cross up, cross down, cross up, cross up. And from what I can tell, there might be a breakout coming soon. So that would be definitely what we want. And you can see the RSI has been pretty flat, right? And you can see when it takes off, the RSI was flat and then it comes up. It was flat or it was down and it came up. It went down a little bit, came back up, and it's down and it's been down, right? It came up a little bit and it came up some more here. So if you look back at the charts, see if we can close this as well. See the MACD cross, and let's see if we can get that volume indicator. That's not the volume indicator we're looking for. But you can see the volume peaked here and the price went up. Then the volume went down, went up a little bit, went down, and then it started to come up, and now it's kind of up and down. So now the volume's down. So maybe over the weekend or beginning of next week, there will be another price upward push or a bull push, probably to the next. Let's see if we can zoom in. So you see here, that was the line of support. It went up to this line. We went up, and then it broke through that first line of support, and this one it bounced down, and then it came up again. So I'm expecting it might push up to, what was this? This is 0.046, and we're kind of above that. So I think it might push back up to 0.056, which would be nice, right? Or some people thinking next week it might push up to 0.06. But we'll keep an eye on that, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. And I got the 214 shirt on, which is the Dallas area code. So in the comments, let me know what you guys are from and how much you're holding. And I want you guys to have a happy Friday. Have a good weekend. Get out, do something, and then come back. And remember, KASPA, KASPA, KASPA. And let's get back to the money, guys.